Welcome back as we next demonstrate the procedure for screening and earthing. Measure 40 millimeters down from the end of the armor wires and make a ring cut at this mark. Remove the outer insulation layer to expose the wire armoring. To determine the fixing position for the core screen leads, place the grey anti-track cable boot against the crutch of the cable into what will be its final position. Secure the core screen leads with the supplied constant force springs as demonstrated. We recommend that you get an assistant to help you with this task. Next, wind the core screen leads around the cores and over the wire armoring. At this stage, the main earth lead must be fitted. Using a tinned copper wire binder, secure the main earth braid together with the core screen leads to the wire armors. Apply a stainless steel binder tightly over all the core screens and tension the binder, ensuring proper electrical earth continuity. Trim off any excess core screen leads against the edge of the steel binder. Gently tap around the earth fittings to create a smooth surface. Using the filler material supplied in the kit, build up a moisture seal by applying the filler to the crutch of the cable as demonstrated. Using the emery tape supplied, roughen the outer surface of the cable below the ring cut in preparation for fitting the next moisture seal. Now apply 4 layers of stretched SFTS tape over the prepared area and main earth braid. We will return after the break to demonstrate the fitting of the cable boot.